This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Automatic transmission fluid change, replacement. Pull the hood release lever located under the steering column. Slide the hood safety latch, then raise the hood upwards. Apply the handbrake. Chock the rear wheels to prevent the vehicle from rolling. Then raise the front of the car and support it on jack stands. Place a drain pan under the transmission drain plug, then remove the plug. Be sure the drain pan is in position, as fluid will come out with some force. Once the fluid is drained, reinstall the drain plug and tighten it to the specified torque setting. Lower the car to the ground. Unblock the wheels. Remove the dipstick retaining bolt. Then remove the dipstick. Using a funnel, add the correct type and amount, as measured previously, of automatic transmission fluid through the filler tube. With the transmission in park and the parking brake set, start and run the engine at a fast idle, but don't race it. Move the gear selector through each range and back to park, then let the engine idle for a few minutes. With the engine still idling, check the fluid level. It may be low. Wipe the fluid off of the transmission dipstick, then insert it into the tube completely until it seats. Withdraw the dipstick and note the fluid level. Add enough fluid to bring the level to the cold range on the dipstick. Be careful not to overfill. As the vehicle is driven, the fluid level will rise into the hot range.